Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can clear your storage space on CapCut PC. So go to menu and go back to homepage to do that. Then you're going to select the settings tab here. You're going to go to settings again. Then you're going to select auto delete cache from like a few days ago, or you can just delete it instantly to save more space. Delete it and press OK. You can also change the preset save path as well, and like where you save your downloads and like your files, so that it doesn't for instance, my D drive has like much more space than my C drive, so I can just like select a folder and save it there. Then once you're done, you're just going to press save. I also like to delete cache. It's not going to delete anything. It's just going to delete like, for instance, you've downloaded a filter, you'll have to like download it again. It's not big of a deal, to be honest, but if you don't want to, just select don't. But it's going to save you a lot of storage space. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.